In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a profit and loss report in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and select Reports. This is where FreshBooks keeps all of your financial reporting tools in one place, making it easy to find the information you need. After the Reports page opens, click on Profit and Loss from the list of available reports. This report is one of the most useful financial summaries in FreshBooks because it helps you understand how much money your business earned, how much it's spent, and what profit remains over a selected period of time. When the report opens, take a moment to review the reporting period shown at the top. This date range is important because it determines exactly which transactions are included in the report. If the dates are not what you need, you can adjust them by choosing one of the preset reporting options. For example, you might select this year, last quarter, this year versus last year, or percent of income, depending on the type of analysis you want to see. Choosing the right preset can save time and help you compare performance more effectively. Next, click Filter to customize the report further. Filters allow you to narrow down the information being displayed, which can be especially helpful if you want a more specific view of your financial data. You can also open settings to adjust how the report is shown. This may include changing the presentation or display format, so the report is easier to read or better suited for sharing with someone else. Once you've selected your filters and updated the settings, apply your changes to refresh the report. FreshBooks will then generate the updated profit and loss view based on your selections. Now review the income section and expand it if needed to see more detailed revenue information. This helps you understand where your income is coming from and gives you a clearer picture of your overall earnings. After that, review the expenses section along with the gross profit, net profit, and profit margin figures. These numbers are essential for evaluating the financial health of your business and understanding whether your operations are generating a strong return. If you need to keep a copy or send the report to someone else, click More Actions or Send To. From there, you can export, print, or share the report based on your needs. Complete the export or sending process, and your profit and loss report will be ready to save or distribute. Thanks for watching.